Hi guys, welcome to EKİN Driving School channel. In this video, I want to tell you how to get a manual, automatic and motorcycle license in Turkey, step by step. First of all, if you want to get a driver's license in Turkey, you must have a residence permit or work permit. If you provide this condition, you can come to our school and register whatever driver's license you need. Which documents are required for registration?
Copy of residence permit or work permit, copy of passport, one biometric photo, health report, diploma, criminal record.
After these documents are completed, there are two tests: theoretical driving test and practical driving test. Theoretical driving test consists of these parts:
Traffic and environment, first aid knowledge, vehicle technique, traffic rules and etiquette.
The Turkish driving theory test consists of 50 optional questions and the exam lasts 45 minutes. Each question is 2 points and the wrong answer has no effect on the correct answer. You must give a total of 35 correct answers and get 70 points. EKİN Driving School will give you a book that contains all the information you need to take the driving theory test in Turkey. After you pass the theory test, you must complete the practical car test. Practical driving test consists of these parts:
Emergency stop, parallel parking, inclined road, go back 25 meters, L parking.
The exam lasts approximately 35 minutes. The first 5 minutes of the vehicle introduction and then covers these 5 sections. Our patient and friendly instructors specialize in quality tuition, conducted at a pace that is suitable for the individual whatever level you are at. After you pass the practical test, our team will help you with the bureaucratic procedure. If you want to get a driver's license, you can call us or you can follow us.
Thanks for watching.